Okay, welcome to another video on how to use the Cyber Infidelity Scanner program. As you see, our computer is booting up right now. I have the external drive connected to the computer. I have my copy of the Cyber Infidelity Scanner plugged in. So I'm going to walk you through the exact process you would do once you have the program up and running. So you now see we have our menu up here. Now the very first thing you're going to do is step number 1. Verify the external drive is connected. So go ahead and click on Verify. And it does say that the USB is connected. So that means we have a storage drive available to us. Step number 2 is next. Copy critical areas. Now it's going to ask for a case name, which is great because now you can separate everything on there. So we'll go ahead and call this Test Case 1. Then you go ahead and click OK, and now it's going to start copying all the critical areas of that computer. Now, normally what I would do is I would pause the video because we're probably going to see about 2 or 3 minutes of this, but instead I want you to see how quickly this actually does work. Now, this is a desktop computer, 500 gigs of storage. It is a Windows XP computer. And it does have a number of programs on there. And the thing that's really good about this program is that you'll also be able to find out what type of programs are on there and what type of data is on there, because when the program is done copying all of the data over, it reports back exactly what areas it copied. So that's another nice little bonus, because you'll be able to tell your client right away, oh yeah, there was some web history, there was Firefox, Google, Internet Explorer, Safari. Oh look, there's BlackBerry information as well. So that's always a nice little feature to have in there. Now, what will happen is after this reports back, we can then proceed forward to step 3, which is to verify the data. Normally, I would not always do that. It's there because some people just want to make absolutely sure everything is fine with it. Me, I know that the program did it. I know if I didn't get any errors that my information is there. And a lot of times the situation that we find ourselves in, we don't have a lot of spare time. So if it takes us 3 minutes to copy all the data, it's going to take us at least another 3 minutes to verify the data. My feeling is if you need to do it, and you're comfortable doing it, and you've got the time to do it, go ahead and do step 3. Myself, rarely have I ever done step 3. Now, the next step after that one is step 4, which is exit and shut down. One of the things you should notice about the way the menu is broken down here on the screen is that it's separated into 2 different areas. The left side says collection, the right side says analysis. The idea here is that your collection side, those should be done at the client's location. Once you've done all 4 steps, you should be leaving your client location at this point. The analysis side, which is steps 5, 6, 7, and 8, you should be doing back at your office. And yet, you don't need that computer again. All the data is stored on that external hard drive. So when you get to step 6, which is analyze data, it's analyzing the data from that external hard drive, not the computer. So everything you stored on the external hard drive is all it's accessing. So there's no reason for you to stay at your client's location to do steps 5, 6, 7, and 8. Again, I always say just do the first 4 steps at your client location, which is the collection side, and then do your analysis side back at your office. So we're currently going on about 2.5 minutes right now, according to what timekeeping I'm doing, and bingo, we're done. Notice what it says here. It says copy done, the following were copied. Registry, temporary internet files, Outlook data, Firefox data, Chrome data, Safari data. All of that was found on this computer. So Now we see what sort of information is available. So go ahead and click close. And as I said, you can do step 3 if you want to, but I don't want to right now. Step 4 would be exit and shut down. Then we get back to our office, and it's time to actually analyze the data. So what we're going to do in the next video is show the analysis part, but right now that's the collection part. We'll go ahead and do step 4, exit and shut down. And I'll see you on the next video.